I have been trading more than 8 years and sharing educational content for past 3. In that time, I have tested thousands of indicators and strategies literally. I have seen what works and what wastes your time. And from all that experience, we have created something very special. The world's best ICT and smart money concepts indicator toolkit. Whether you are trading futures, forex or crypto, this toolkit is designed to help you to trade with precision, confidence and real-time market insights. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and what is included in the toolkit. This toolkit comes with 4 indicator in time, screener, volume delta, highlighter and the care package. And if you still don't have the access, I am putting down the link below. Grab it and come back to this video. Also, I highly suggest you join my Discord. I regularly do a live free trading sessions there. To add everything to your chart, you need to go to indicators tab, search for BORSA 321 and you will see all my indicators here. Click all of them to add to your chart. And what is great thing about this, I have added all my settings as a default, so you don't have to configure anything. If you trade futures on 1 minute, this is a perfect settings for you. But don't worry, because if you trade something else like Bitcoin, I will show you how you will overcome the settings also. So let's see. This is a random date that I choose from the trading wheel, and I want to show you how toolkit is working and how it's giving you the signal you should take it or you shouldn't take it. We will discuss that. Now the time is 5:09. The toolkit will only give you the signals at the macro times depending on the ICT strategy. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply come and disable the macro filtering and you can see all the macros here. So let's roll the market to 9:20 macro time. So the time is now 9:17. Let's roll 2 more candles and now we will be in the macro time. We basically from now on waiting for a signal to execute and we got the signal. So what I suggest is wait for candle closure and execute on the next candle. So we will be executing a sell position here. But why BORSA? Are we gonna take all the signals that appears on our chart? I promise if you execute everything on the AM session and the PM session, you will end up making a lot of money. But you can also be picky, you can also match with other ideas because we have 4 indicators and the great thing is they are all made for each other. So the care package will show you the levels, the screener will show you the signals at the different settings, and the volume delta will show you the higher time frames with the delta inside. So here is the delta indicator. We got the A+ sell. Should we take it? Yes. Why? Let's zoom in a little and I will explain you. I got a lot of questions regarding to that. So here, this was the high, right? The higher high. Market took out this high, created a new high, and we got the inversion here. You see it, right? This red box is inversion. And we got the bearish order block. This comes from what? A care package. This toolkit is just crazy. Oh my God. So on the higher time frame volume delta indicator, we can see the equal lows here. There are a lot of targets that we can use. At least we can target the halfway of this hourly candle bullish fair value gap. So what I want to do is to take a partial here and take a full TP if the price comes down here. So I will put my stop loss to recent high. This is a crazy trade. This will be giving me a 5-hour trade, 200 risk and $1,000 profit. Crazy, right? So with this A+ sell signal, we executed our position. First partial will be coming at the exact halfway of the hourly fair value gap. So I don't know if you get it, but we are executing on the 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute. Personally, I execute on 1 minute and I use a hourly, 15 minute and 5 minute targets to decide where price can go. It is very important because without a target, we are basically nothing. So let's roll the market. and boom, we have reached our partial point. I want to take a one contract off here. So partial got filled, and now what I want you to do is move your stop loss to where? Two options. You can either go to break even, or you can use this bearish order block, right? Or you can use the recent fair value gap. There are a lot of things you can do. So we will use this fair value gap over here. So let's roll the market if I get the full TP or not.
Order filled.
And boom, this is it. Why I targeted that? Because I saw there is equal lows down here. So I targeted this, but the price can go until down as the new day opening gap. Oh, is there a new day opening gap also? Yes. Now let me take you to care package settings and let me show you what we offer. We are showing you all the sessions: Asia, London, New York AM, lunch and PM. We don't only show the New York session, we divide it into three. Why? Because I used like that. And all this session has different characteristic. AM is different, launch is different, PM is different. So we have the opening price levels bar I use a lot. So midnight opening price 8:30, 9:30, and the PM session start. Last end days, it will show you the high and low of the 10 days. If you make it 20, it will draw at 20 high and low. Previous AM high and low, previous PM high and low. NDOC and NVOC you can extend, you can change color. Regular trading hour gap, I love it. Higher time frame fair value gap, you can enable 4 different fair value gap. This indicator itself is enough, you know, it's crazy. You can choose these time frames as you wish. You can change the colors, you can see the fair value gap fill method, you can change it, you can use week if you want. Max bars back you can change. This is the fractals and order blocks you can enable on your chart. Market structure and shift, this is higher high, higher low, lower low, you know the thing. Volume imbalances, I love it. I use a lot when it comes to put my stop loss. I suggest you check this idea, and you can enable show date and time. I don't use that, but it's a personal choice. It comes with the default settings. If you want, you can enable or disable. This toolkit made for precision and born for make you a constantly profitable trader. When you day trading, it's so hard to mark out all the levels, right? And this is the reason why we created this whole features. Can you create a 5-minute fair value gap inside the 1 minute? It will create a mess. It will take a lot of time. Sometimes you miss it. And this whole toolkit does it everything for you. It's giving you the signal. It's giving you the confirmation. You can see 5-minute fair value gaps on your chart. You can see all the higher time frames with the delta. It's crazy. Real-time delta. Look at this. You can see all the real-time delta here. You can see the targets. You can decide the stop loss. I'm so excited that we have reached hundreds of traders using this toolkit and making money every day. For me, this is the greatest achievement of my life. Making you a constantly profitable trader, changing lives with this toolkit. It's just unbelievable we have come to this far. If you want to learn more about the toolkit, I have a specific playlist. I am putting the link up here. You can go and check out. And that was all for this video. I hope you guys learned something new today and enjoyed it. I am so excited to see you in the winning team. If you have any doubt about the toolkit, don't, because we are offering a 30-day risk-free option. So if you don't like it, you will get your refund, no question asked. I will catch you in the next one. See you soon.